A Z-Pad bottle drinking water filling line plant. Introducing the Z-Pad bottle drinking water filling line. From Hongyuan Machinery. Revolutionizing water bottling with precision and efficiency. Our state-of-the-art plant guarantees hygienic, high-speed filling for a pure drinking experience. From PET bottle shipping to final packaging, every detail is meticulously crafted for maximum productivity and minimal waste. Boost your brand's image with sleek, consistent bottles while saving on operational costs. Trust Hongyuan for a seamless integration into your production line. Order now and elevate your water bottling game to the next level.